Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello and welcome. My name is Megan. It's lovely to have you guys here. It's the first video of the Sedona series, of the Arizona series. I'm so excited. It has been the longest, most hectic 48 hours ever. I left from school and I got to my house last night, and then this morning at 4:30 a.m. we left and got to the airport in DC. Then we flew to Phoenix. We had lunch in Phoenix, and I have a bunch of clips of all this stuff, so I'm just gonna like have that either overlaying or I'll do a little montage. We had lunch in Phoenix at this really yummy little restaurant. It was popping in there. Then we road tripped it all the way. We finally made it to the Grand Canyon, which is where we're gonna be staying overnight tonight. My mom is inside checking us in right now. It's a girls trip. And then we have dinner reservations later as well, and we want to see if we can catch some glimpses of the Grand Canyon for sunset. So yeah, today was our main big kind of travel day that kind of took a lot of time. Today was just like the traveling portions, but I'm so excited to be here. She's so excited to be here, and I'm excited to just kind of take you guys with us. I don't think I'll do a lot of like talking, so it'll probably just be a lot more like clips with music behind, and then I kind of catch you guys up like this. And yeah, I'm really excited. I haven't been on a trip since pre-COVID. I think since my senior year of high school, so it's been a really long time since I've been on a really fun, crazy, scenic vacation. And so I'm really happy that I now have a YouTube channel that I can like take you guys along and also just have these memories to rewatch, because this is the first time my mom and I are traveling together on like a mother-daughter trip, and it's gonna be very memorable, and I'm very just grateful for this experience and to be able to spend so much time with her. We're both very alike. We both like to do a lot of things, have a big plan for ourselves, really like enjoy our time, and so I think it's gonna be a trip to remember, and hopefully I get really good footage for you guys and that you guys enjoy the video. So let's rewind a bit. Let's take you guys back to leaving for the airport, all the clips in the airport, the drive here, and then from here on out it'll be scenic views. It to the Grand Canyon. Say hey. Hey. Okay, so we are about to go park by our hotel and check in. It's about 5:30 this time. We're staying at the Cochina. Definitely saying it wrong. So we're staying there tonight, just one night, and we're having dinner at El Tovar. So yeah, I'm super excited. Yeah, we're gonna check into the hotel. When I get there, I will show you guys what it looks like. Okay, we made it. So I'm gonna give you guys a little hotel overview. There's this little storage. I don't know, just basics. And there is a fridge, which is nice, and a safe. And then you come in, and the room's actually really nice and big. We both have our own bed tonight. Very cute view of like the parking lot. A little spot if anyone wants to do some work. I might be doing some editing there. TV and a dresser. We're not staying overnight, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, that's basically it. And then here's the bathroom. The bathroom's actually quite nice as well. A lot better than I was anticipating. It's just a place to sleep, and that's all we need. And it's honestly really, really nice and spacious, and looks better than the pictures. So we're super excited. We just checked in, we're dropping everything off, gonna get ready, and then we're gonna go look at the Grand Canyon. Finally, look at the sights we've been wanting to see. It's crazy how we just step out of the hotel, right? And it's this. Say hey. Hold it up. I'm actually vlogging right now. Say hey to the vlog, Mom.
Hi.
You have to introduce yourself. This is my mom.
Hi.
She
I'm
planned
Mama
the whole
Schmegs.
Mom's with Schmegs. She planned the trip. I'm scared I'm gonna fall. I just wanted to show the vlog, the vibes. Then we can get into our reel. All right, we just took our pictures, got some good ones, and now we're gonna go to El Tovar for dinner. What are you ordering tonight, Mom? I don't know. Big steak on me?
Maybe steak.
I said I was paying. She's gonna get the steak. We will vlog what the dinner looks like, but I'm not gonna talk in the restaurant.
Dinner time, dinner time.
We got some bread. She's got her beverage. Yes. What do you get? Already going. I forgot to hit off.
Not hiking if you're not going to the edge. Yeah, stay behind the big rock. It'll keep you from sliding down.
Smile for the vlog. Yes. Sun is starting to rise. Hi guys, welcome to day 2. So today we woke up and we actually saw the sun rise, which was super exciting. It was so beautiful. I believe we went out around 6:30 and we got to see it go from dark all the way to sun up. It was so beautiful. Really, really cold though, so we were really bundled up. I have this, a sports bra, this, and then a big jacket, and I was still kind of cold, so I'm really nervous about this hike. It's gonna be cold, but the sun has come out, so I feel like that's gonna help a lot. We are hiking Ooh Point today, which I'm so excited about. My mom has never hiked in the canyon, and she's always wanted to. I've also never hiked in the canyon. I've only been around the rim, so I'm really excited. I'm kind of nervous, but this is a shorter hike. I want to say it said it was like 1.8-ish miles, and then it could extend to about like 3 miles round trip if we were to go to like another point that's a little bit past it. But yeah, I'm super excited, and now I just wanted to show you guys my unboxing of something super exciting because these got shipped when I wasn't at home yet. So these are koalas, and so my mom actually found this brand through, I believe it was like Facebook or something, and she messaged me and she was like, these are so cool, you should like see if they do any collaborations or anything, which is kind of funny. And I looked it up and I was like, wait, these are awesome for our trip because we just got this backpack from REI, and right here it kind of has one of these hooks. So I'm going to show you guys how these are used, but I just wanted to unbox them first. The owner was so kind. He was so kind to send 2 over, one for me and one for my mom. These are the 2 colors he sent. So he sent this orange. I thought this would be so pretty with the Sedona vibes, just that orange, beautiful background. And then the pink I got for my mom because I think she would just love this. This wraps around the phone and it grips it really tight so that if you have this hooked on your backpack and you have to drop your phone for a reason, it just stays. And it's definitely good for people who do like water sports and crazy kinds of sports, but it's also very practical for an average hiker or someone who just wants to use their hands freely for a lot of things. We're excited to test these out today. I can tell it's very durable. Like, look, I'm pulling hard and it's very durable, and I'm just very thankful to Hang Time for sending over the koalas. They're so fun and I'm just really excited to put them to use. They're definitely like a very practical product. Yeah, I'll have the link to these down below if you guys want to get one too, especially if you're going on a trip or you'd partake in anything like water or skating, stuff like that. They have some really cool videos on their page of like how these are used for those kinds of things. But my mom's getting the car. We're packed up as you guys can see, and we're gonna load up the car. We're checking out of this hotel, then we're gonna go to the visitor center, get food, then we're gonna take a shuttle bus to the hike of Ooh Point, which is nice. We don't have to find parking there. And then we're gonna hike that. And then after that, I think we're planning tonight to end up in Page, Arizona to see Horseshoe Bend. So kind of just like what's done between that and the drive there is kind of up in the air, so I'll just take you guys along. But yeah, I'm very excited. It's gonna be a very exciting, fun, beautiful day. It's already been so beautiful getting to see the sunrise and making sure I woke up for that. It was so worth it. I was tired, but it was worth it. So without further ado, let's just get into the rest of the video. Okay, we're gonna attempt to put the koala around my phone right now. This is like very strong. I can just tell. Okay, and then look, I trust this. I trust this with my chest. My whole life is in this phone and I trust this. So this is how it gets hooked in. Oh, okay, so you can use either this clamp or this clip. I trust the clip more, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna put on the carabiner clip. That's what this one is. And so you just take the clip here and you harness it around the straps. You guys can see it's harnessed well here, and then the phone just hangs. So yeah, so while you're hiking, let me put this lower. You can just have your phone hanging down and you don't have to worry about like holding it, or if you have to quickly use your reflexes and drop it. This is great for people who have like kids, if they have to like catch the kid, you know what I mean? But this is super nice. This is nice for me as well because I'm going to be vlogging with my vlog camera, so if I have to switch hands a lot, I'm very excited about this. This is nice because then you can quickly take pictures, drop it, do something else. And I trust this. This is very nice quality. I'm actually like really impressed. I can't wait for my mom to see this. She's going to be like shook. And then I'll be using this one. I have a string bag, so I'll see if this is able to work with a string bag. I'm sure it will, but we didn't want to have 2 backpacks because we just aren't bringing that much stuff. Okay, my mom's back, so I wanted to show her. Okay, put your backpack on. Do you have your phone? Do you want me to grab mine? You're gonna be shocked. Okay, so you see it? See it? Boom.
Yes.
Yes.
Take the photos.
And drop it down.
Drop.
I told them that you negotiated this deal for me. We got some toast. Orange juice. Lunch for later. Where do we start? I can't even see it. Somewhere maybe there. I see. Oh wait, there's people right there. So we were up there. Big smiles. Yes. We need it, Mom. You have to say it. Say it. Ooh. Back up. Look pretty down here. Where are we, Mom? We're at Cedars Ridge, like the extension from Ooh Point. It's very pretty though. We climbed all the way from there. We also forgot snacks. I brought 2 peppermint patties that we're gonna reward ourselves with when we get back to Ooh. What are your thoughts, Mom?
Stop talking about the snacks.
I think she's hungry. I just had to pee, but they had a bathroom thing. So I feel better. I'm gonna be hungry, but I just don't want to think about it right now. I think this way up is going to be a little strenuous.
I think it's gonna be very strenuous.
I'm a little nervous about it. We made it back up to Ooh. It was a very steep climb. We have another steep climb ahead of us. We're taking a water break. That is also my thought. What is for lunch? At the rate we're moving, that's sandwich. We are getting gas now. Well, my mom is. And we are heading to Page, Arizona. It's about, I think it's like a 2-hour drive from the Grand Canyon. And then we're gonna check into our hotel and then figure out from there if we want to go to Horseshoe Bend. I think she's struggling getting the gas. I feel like I need to help her. Okay, just kidding. She figured it out. But we're gonna go to the hotel check-in. It's gonna be a little later than we planned because of how long and hard that hike was. And then we are gonna go to Horseshoe Bend and dinner. So yeah, we'll take you guys along. Probably won't talk too much. Hello and welcome to day 3. Honestly, we got to the hotel yesterday. We knocked early. We got Domino's for dinner. We didn't do much at all. So I didn't really film anything, but we didn't really do anything. And we also didn't go to Horseshoe yesterday. So we're going this morning. We are checking out of the hotel. My mom is right now. We stayed in the Home 2 Suites. It's like 3 miles from Horseshoe. So we're headed to Horseshoe after this. And we're going to look at like the dam and a few other little things before we head over to Sedona. Sedona is our mainstay. So we're staying at Sedona for, I want to say 4 nights. So that'll be something where we actually kind of unpack, get groceries and stuff like that. So we're super excited and we'll take you guys along for the drive. It's really cold and windy, which I just wasn't expecting, but I'm super excited and we'll take you guys along. I forgot to film an outro, but I hope you guys enjoyed part 1 and be sure to watch part 2 for all the hikes and everything that we did in Sedona. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.